First of the three, he rolls in green. Moss on his back, submarine machine. One big eye, one small eye, two. Round orange glow like he's winking at you. White horns up high, black stripes on the side. Big ol' mouth full of teeth, all grin, no hide. He's little monster size, but he loves the crowd. Made from pool noodle dreams and air dry shroud. He bounces in place like he just got sprung. Fun-loving freak with a party tongue. Hey, make room, he's here to play. Little green king of the spooky day. He's all smiles, all snap, all zing. Wait till he laughs and the rafters ring. Moss green monster, come on. Orange eye blink, black striped horn fun. Moss green monster, spin him around. First of the three, let the totem go down. He's happy, he's wild. He's built for the glow. Moss green monster, watch him grow. He don't walk slow, he hops on by. Pool noodle spine and a claymate smile. Air dry armor on a goofy frame. Soft little creature with a monster name. Teeth all gleam when the beat goes hard. He guards the lawn like a backyard star. Not scary, scary, more boo, let's go. He shakes that shade and he steals the show. Kids point first and the grown folks cheer. He's the kind of weird that we keep right here. Part one done, but the tower ain't through. Two more creatures waiting in the summer heat too. Hey, make room, he's here to play. Little green king of the spooky day. He's all smiles, all snap, all zing. Wait till he laughs and the rafters ring. Moss green monster, come on. Orange eye blink, black striped horn fun. Moss green monster, spin him around. First of the three, let the totem go down. He's happy, he's wild. He's built for the glow. Moss green monster, watch him grow. Shine, got that craft night spark. Fingerprints in the clay like a little art mark. Pool noodle belly keeps the shape just right. Light on his feet for the party tonight. One big eye watches, one small eye gleams. Orange like sherbet in a candy colored dream. He's the first brick in the monster stack. Happy little gremlin with the whole crew back. Summerween energy, hot air, cold snacks. Moonlit silly creatures coming off the rack. And when the second one lands and the third one roars, this green little face is the one that starts the chord. Hey, room, he's here to play. Little green king of the spooky day. He's all smiles, all snap, all zing. Wait till he laughs and the rafters ring. Moss green monster, come on. Orange eye blink, black striped horn fun. Moss green monster, spin him around. First of the three, let the totem go down. He's happy, he's wild. He's built for the glow. Moss green monster, watch him grow. Hold up the ladder, stack them real high. One for the lawn, one for the sky. Toes in the grass, teeth in the moon. We're making magic out of clay too soon. He's goofy and fierce. He's soft and strange. Perfect first monster to open the page. Summerween, Summerween party, night on the rise. Paper cut moon and 100 bright eyes. He sits on the base, then he leans with pride. Moss green gremlin on the totem ride. Big mouth laughing, small eyes side glance. Everybody losing it when he starts to dance. White horn shining like a striped little crown. He's the first of the three and he won't back down. Built for the fun, built for the scare. Built from a noodle and a handful of care. So when the porch lights fade and the treats get passed, this green little monster got the party cast.